Hello, welcome back YouTube. I got another video of a landing page I created using leadpages. This landing page converts very well, very clean, very easy to set up. Looks very good. I'm promoting my ebook, um, which is a free ebook. I'm trying to make money online. And click this button here. It has this, enter your name and email to get the free ebook, and hit the name and address. Give me those two, okay, and then this is the first page, and then it goes to this thank you page. Thank you for signing up my ebook. Hope you enjoy it. In the meantime, you enjoy the largest affiliate marketing community and training website on the internet. So this is to where a affiliate offer here for a thank you page. So yeah, this was made with using lead pages. It converts very well. I will have a link to my ebook in the description box below. You want to copy this yourself. If you don't have lead pages, I've linked to that as well. You should get lead pages because this is a nice landing page to build. Very easy to set up. I did this in 10 minutes with a thank you page. Simple thank you page. Thanks for signing up. And how you put an affiliate offer here. You know, I didn't get no silence for this though, but still, just took 10 minutes to set up as well. So yeah, this is my little review. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.